Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have another My Life as doll set. This time I have the unicorn trainer and it has all kinds of goodies in it for your doll. This is my doll, Allie, and she is a Newberry doll. So I'm just going to move her out of the way so that we can go ahead and open up this really cool set. Again, Walmart is really stepping up their game with all of the great stuff. This one was $12.97 in Canada. Look at all of the great things in there. I am loving this headband, and I'm hoping it'll fit onto my doll because, as we know, different brands fit differently. So in this set, look at the back of the packaging. Isn't that doll absolutely gorgeous? It has the unicorn headband, a treat bag, one bottle of glitter dust, 2 rainbow treats for your unicorn, 1 trophy, 1 training wand, 1 certificate, 1 sticker sheet, and a training manual. I wasn't able to find this outfit. I was looking, but I couldn't find it. And I have yet to see the unicorn. Now, we do have the horse, so I am hoping we can get the unicorn to add to our collection. Look at how great everything looks. Again, like the Care Bear set, I'm not excited over the unicorn treats. They look kind of just plasticky. But let's go ahead and get this open. It's a 10-piece set. So really, it works out to like just over $1 a piece at $13. Let's get it open. There we go. We'll move that out of the way. There goes everything. Oh my gosh, it's a pouch. It's a pouch. That's what they meant by the unicorn bag. It's, what was it? Let me check this again. Treat bag. Okay, that's what they mean by treat bag. Oh, look how cute it is. Let's push everything off to the side, and then we will go through this one at a time. So again, the very first thing, let's look at the stickers. I want to see the stickers. We're going to need the scissors because they taped everything together. Not cool, Walmart. Not cool. There we go. Okay, so the very first thing is the sheet of stickers. There's the unicorn headband, dreamer. These are just a white background sticker. Okay, so you could stick those on, I guess, pretty much everything. The next thing is the unicorn trainer guide. Well, at least it's not just plain cardboard. So it has everything you'll need, the wand, the dust, and then, oh, basic commands so that you can teach your unicorn tricks. Okay, that is really cool. But again, it's just a piece of cardboard with tape. Not so good. Now, the certificate. You can write your unicorn's name. And this is basically just cardstock. Yeah, and they taped it. So if you take the tape off, it's going to be sticky. Okay, first impressions, we're not looking so good, but let's get into the real goodies. The little trophy. Look at how cute. It's got a unicorn. It's plastic. Oh, do you see the shooting star on that side? Okay, that's cute. Does it stand up? It stands. Guys, it stands up. That is fantastic. It's looking a little, I don't know if it's too big or too small. I don't know about the size yet. Okay. Let's look at this. Unicorn dust. Does it open? No. But it's got a little unicorn on it and a little sticker. And it's really fine glitter. So I guess it is a good thing that this doesn't open. Otherwise, we would end up with glitter all over the place. And we all know what a mess glitter can be. Up next, let's look at the unicorn treats. Okay. Yeah, the sticker's not even pushed down. Oh, well. So these are cute little rainbows, but they're like the Care Bears. Do you remember from the sleepover set? It's just a piece of plastic. It doesn't look cookie-ish. See? Plastic. Yeah. Do they stand? They stand up. Guys, they stand up. Okay. Maybe they're winning me over on the cheap plastic things because the Care Bears didn't stand up. And I mean, I guess you could hold it in your doll's hand and have her feed the unicorn, or even just your horse if you wanted to try to magically change your horse into a unicorn by adding a horn. Oh my gosh, that's an idea. If you can't get the unicorn, take your American Girl doll or your OG doll or Newberry doll and add a horn. That might have to be a craft we have to make. What do you guys think? You let me know in the comments. Now, I am super excited. Look at the pouch. Does it open? It opens, and there's no zipper. Let's take the plastic out. So when your doll is wearing this around her waist, she's not going to be able to get the treats out. It would have been nice if it opened here on the front, but let's see if they fit. Oh, I dropped it. Let's see. Yeah, they fit, but if she's wearing it, are you able to get your fingers in there? We'll have to try that at the end of the video to see if she can get it. I really, really like the pouch though. Other than that, look at the nice glitter. This is a clear sticker. You can feel it. But look at the glitter. So pretty. I love sparkles and glitter. I think my doll is going to love wearing this when she's out with her horse. So cute, guys. It's so cute. Now, the wand. Look at this wand. It is so tall. Look at my hands. It is so tall. It doesn't have a handle for your doll to hold it, so you will have to hold it. And it is quite heavy. Oh, I just noticed that. Oh, let me see if I can get you guys to see it. See how there's very little glitter here? And when I tip it, all the glitter goes down. So the glitter in this wand actually goes up and down. I know it's hard to see on the camera because of the lighting, but there is some like pink glitter in there. Okay, they've won me over with the wand, and we haven't even gotten to the best part yet. The headband. Check out the headband. The horn is actually solid on both sides, so you don't have that empty hollow. And look at the flowers. It's got the little teeth to hold it into her hair. Oh, this looks just like something that you could find in Ardennes or Ardenne Girls or at Claire's. Oh my goodness, unicorns are so great. Look at this. They have the gold in the ears, and the flowers actually have details. All right, I want to try this stuff with my doll. So let's bring her back. Oops, I dropped some stuff. So there is our doll. Let's scooch. Okay, first things first. Oh, watch your hair. Let's try the hairband. Guys, look at that. Look at how cute. It fits and it goes ear to ear on my doll. Now, her head is the same size as a Journey Girls doll and of an Our Generation doll. I don't know if it's the same size as an American Girl doll, but obviously it's going to fit a Walmart doll as well. And it's in there nice and snug. It's not coming off. If I shake her, yeah, that headband is on. Guys, look at how cute. Oh, let's fix her hair. Look at how cute she looks with her little headband. This would also make really cool Halloween costume or dress up if you're going to do Halloween for your dolls. Now let's go to her midsection and try the little pouch. It's got nice Velcro, so easy on and off. Let's make sure it's facing the right way. Sorry, Allie, we're going to have to flip you over. Oh, look at all that hair. Is it going to fit? Oh, would you look at that? Perfect fit around her waist. A lot of the Walmart accessories, the straps or the Velcro are really small so that they can make them for less money. But now that this is on her, can we get our little rainbow treats in? Okay, so we can get them in. Let's put 2 in there. It's a snug, snug fit. All right, so we got them in. Now, if she's out training her unicorn and she wants to give a treat, can we get them out? Let's see. So it is going to be awkward. You're going to have to fold the pouch down and wiggle them out. Yeah. Now, if she's standing up, you see how you have to pull the pouch really low to get in there? That's a little awkward. Let's throw them back in. I mean, it works. It's a little awkward. Let's see if she can hold. If it, yeah, it doesn't balance in her hand. So you do have to hold it with her hand. Maybe use a little clear elastic if you're going to do a photo shoot with these, because it's top heavy. And if she's standing up, let's see, put her hand there. Yeah, if she's standing up, she's not going to be able to hold it at all. Okay, no problem. Let's try the trophy. Can she hold the trophy? Nope. That's top heavy too. Oh. All right, let's try the book. Maybe if I... There you go. She can hold the book. Guys, I don't know. All in all, not one of my favorite sets, but I still love it. The pouch, I think my favorite part is this headband. Look at how cute. Oh, I love it. Can she hold the unicorn dust? We didn't try that. Nope. Maybe like that. Nope. She can't hold the dust either. That's okay. It's all for fun play. At least she can hold the book. Guys, I don't know. Look at all of the great stuff. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Not my favorite. What else does she have? Oh, her certificate. Her certificate and her stickers. All kinds of great stuff. I wish they hadn't taped the paper. But you know what? $13. You know how expensive this would be from the American Girl store? Much more. You might get a little bit better quality. But if you're looking for a discount alternative, this is it. All right, guys, that's it for now. Make sure you do let me know in the comments what is your favorite part of this set, or if you have this set. On Instagram, make sure you follow me and share some pictures with me of your dolls with these sets, or if you've made your own. Bye, guys.